and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Scottish judge throws out nightclubs challenge to COVID-19 passport. Under the scheme, certain Scotland's venues, including nightclubs, unseated indoor events with more than 500 people, standing outdoor occasions with more than 4,000 attendees and any event with more than 10,000 revelers, must check that everyone over the age of 18 is vaccinated against COVID-19. Nighttime Industries Association, Scotland sues to block new COVID-19 vaccine passport system. Scottish judge rules against the petitioners, saying that the government could acceptably implement the scheme. The Nighttime Industries Association, Scotland slammed the initiative as discriminatory against certain venues. Scottish Judge, Lord David Burns, today rejected a legal challenge to Scotland's upcoming COVID-19 vaccine passport system, dealing a blow to a lawsuit brought in by the Nighttime Industries Association, Scotland that sought to prevent the measure from coming into effect. In his verdict, Lord David Burns ruled against the petitioners' statements that the system was disproportionate, irrational or unreasonable, or an infringement on human rights. According to the judge's ruling, the scheme fell under what the government could acceptably implement as a response to the pandemic and that it was an attempt to address the legitimate issues identified in a balanced way. The judge also said the system would be subject to rolling scrutiny by Parliament and ministers, who have a duty in law to remove regulations that are no longer required to protect public health. Queen's Counsel QC Lord Richard Keane, the lawyer representing the Nighttime Industries Association, Scotland, slammed the initiative as discriminatory against certain venues at the Court of Session, and said that basic legitimate rights of the petitioners should be protected. Speaking for the Scottish Government, QC James Muir put forward that the scheme had been designed when the National Health Service (NHS) was severely strained as a result of the pandemic. According to Muir, the system seeks to keep venues open that pose more of a risk of transmission and also incentivize people to come forward and get vaccinated. Under the scheme, certain Scotland's venues, including nightclubs, unseated indoor events with more than 500 people, standing outdoor occasions with more than 4,000 attendees and any event with more than 10,000 revelers, must check that everyone over the age of 18 is vaccinated against COVID-19. The Scottish Government said that it had given affected businesses 2 weeks from the implementation of the scheme, which is due to kick off on Friday, to test, adapt and build confidence in the practical arrangements required before it is enforced on October 18. According to the UK government statistics, 92% of Scots have received their first coronavirus vaccine, while just over 84% are double jabbed.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.